How to set up OmniTracker in your Android phone. Step 1. Download the APK from the link in the GitHub repository. Set up your Telegram bot. Setting up your Telegram bot requires a bot token from bot father on Telegram and your chat UID so that nobody else can see your logs even if they have your bot link. Once you're done, make sure you keep these details safe. Fork the repository so you can have a copy of it. It's very important that you do this. And head over to Vercel for deployment. The deployment step is very easy, but it will be very hard for you if you didn't fork the repository, as I said. Environmental variables. By environmental variables, I mean the bot token and UID. For the auth token, you can use any single word or password that you want, but don't use special characters. This auth token is what allows traffic from your device to reach the servers and ensure it's sending correct information from your device. Click deploy and you're done. Website we just deployed and keep it safe. Make sure you keep your auth token safe too. pull in your site URL and your auth token. Once you have done that, click on Deploy Confirmations, and you're done. If you want to view the tracker from a web server, just add .view at the end of your URL, and you'll have everything anywhere you want them.